all you can eat wings. Oh. Dude, I'm kind of nervous. I don't know why I feel like anxious about this right now.
No, we'll eat a lot. Like, we haven't eaten all day.
Well, I had lunch at 12. But like, I'm a little like, okay, like I can eat right now.
It's currently 6:49. So, I'm in.
Okay, these are low-key big.
I'll just put captions. Garlic and
That's buffalo. I guess he really like that. This is American version of getting. This is the face of defeat. Ooh. Bro, this flavor? Honey barbecue. It's trash. Don't know any of them, so we're just showing up late. Kind of foul. You guys know a few of them. I only know Pauline.
I'm gonna use Jennifer's narration in my video too.
Wait, why are you stealing my words? Anyone want any crackers? No more crackers.
We're at the Ren Fair. What day is it? I always make Vivian talk. It's September 16th. We're at the Ren Fair. It's windy and I'm wearing no safety shorts. How do I flip this around? Like this? This? Ah, oh, check out the fit. So cute. With the boots. Oh, she's running away.
Not paying for preferred parking.
Hi, Pauline. Hi, Derek. Let's do the fit check. So, Michelle,
We're at
Tim,
the
Benson.
Renaissance Fair.
With the fits. Let's go.
This is the corset that Viv's gonna wear today.
Yeah, they're gonna tell me to put it on over this shirt. They're trying to ruin me. So embarrassing. Sorry, I wasn't recording.
I need help. I don't know how to load this thing.
Just push it in there.
Yes. Huzzah!
Huzzah! Ah!
Like, and the video ended, and it was like, no more storage. Okay, this song's fire.
It's the medieval
Hey, we're back from Ren Fair. It was super fun. What's there to talk about? We lost. Our team lost in jousting. Jousting.
We're on our way to.
I think we're gonna get Burmese food. So if these girls pull through, take a video of it, I guess.
Hello.
It's my camcorder.
Did you actually record the whole fair?
They're so bad at taking content.
This is how I do my. Oh! I love this song. Keep going, keep going.
I don't know this part.
Universe on camera. Good job.
Why couldn't my hand be in the bag? No one would have even noticed.
I should have recorded it.
It smells so good. Okay, which which shisha song should I pop? Do you want to put on your summer playlist, by the way?
Okay, here, see. Okay, we were planning to go at 10:30, but now after getting gas and getting snacks, it is now 11:30. So we're gonna head over to Seabright Beach. Do I sound like a good vlogger?
Yeah, that was awesome. Wait a second, this is too familiar to your last vlog where we also had bagels.
No, but the view is different. And that matches with my bag. Whoa.
That showed off.
Cute.
Wow. No hands, no hands.
No hands.
You want to try to bite them?
I brought a book. I do. I hate birds.
Oh, I forgot.
I
Sorry.
hate birds.
I forgot. Are you just scared of them or what?
Yeah, I'm just scared of them.
Like any bird, like even like a parrot?
I hate anything that flies.
Like insects?
Yeah, anything that flies.
How about like a pegasus?
That's not. So you're talking about a mythical creature?
Yeah, like a mythical creature.
No. Okay, mythical creatures are fine. No! Not a bird!
Don't look behind you. There's a bird. You know, friends are such babies. Like, you're scared of birds, Jennifer's scared of fucking butterflies. Like, oh. Did you get him? Oh,
Where
he's
is he?
swimming. He's swimming. Do you see him right there?
Where?
He's swimming.
Oh.
Under the left room. Oh, he went under.
Oh no! Wait, hold on. I can't.
Sorry, I'm sleeping. What's that?
I'm editing it.
I didn't even know you were doing that. I was really...
Freedom.
Oh, the water's so clear. Ooh, it's cold.
Well, I keep looking at the wrong button. Freedom. Oh, this looks like the SZA album, right? No!
It's not meant to be.
GM plus Vivian! What were you gonna say?
Guess. Do you
The
read it?
SUG Suguru. Suguru. Satoru. What?
Try to say it.
SUG?
Yeah. Why? Don't record this. I do not give my consent.
Sun protection.
Sun protection. Ah,
The way you're spraying it is not right.
it's not fire. It reminds me of What Makes You Beautiful music video.
Oh.
They're like running away from the water.
I actually don't remember.
Really?
Yeah.
They were bullied for that. For like that.
Oh, really?
Video. Yeah, because everyone was like, they're so stupid. Why are they running away from the water?
Oh.
People were just hating on them for no reason.
Your direction. Okay, let me try.
Nice throw, nice throw.
What? This is so romantic. Earlier we were talking about what if we fed the birds here, like
We weren't talking about that. You just shared that idea. I want the story to be straight, alright? This was not a joint idea that came up, that we developed.
the tao tao. Like imagine we feed birds like the tao tao, and they bring the seeds to Europe, and then it'll grow like the tao tao tree in Europe, and then Europeans would see the tao tao tree and think that it's their tree, and they would name it Little Lad Apple.
What's right? Because when I first got into Polaroids, everyone was like, put it face down.
Yeah,
And then after that, people, look at that guy, he's swimming all the way out past that. Whoa! Holy crap. Oh my god.
Oh, that little. I can see him.